To transfer money or cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to a Phantom wallet. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and selecting the account option at the bottom of the screen. From there, click on the wallet option to view all the cryptocurrencies currently held in the account. Choose the cryptocurrency to be transferred, such as Bitcoin, and then click on the transfer button. In the pop-up window, select withdrawal, and then choose external wallet in the next window. Add the wallet address by tapping on the designated area. But first, ensure the correct network is selected. To obtain the wallet address, open the Phantom wallet, click on the Receive button, and select the desired cryptocurrency, in this case, Bitcoin. Click on the wallet address to copy it. Then return to the Crypto.com app and paste the address into the specified area. Enter a name for the wallet and click Continue to add the wallet address. With the wallet address added, click on the Withdrawal button next to it. Then confirm and withdraw. Enter the amount to be transferred and click Withdraw. Finally, review the details to ensure the wallet address and network type are correct. Confirm the transaction, and enter the required password to complete the transfer from Crypto.com to the Phantom wallet.